Adams Polish's double-sided wheel and tire brush combines our wheel brush with our tire brush into one, making it more efficient when you're cleaning your wheels and tires. It is also designed specifically for low-profile tires, such as these Continentals, allowing you to scrub the tires without overlapping onto your wheels. Traditionally, with wheel cleaning, you have an array of tools, okay? 5 or 6 different tools in your bucket. Now what we can do is we're gonna combine these two, and you have your double-sided wheel and tire brush. So when you go to clean your wheels and tires, blast them off with the pressure washer, and you can take the wheel and tire cleaner. We can spray this on the entirety of the wheel and the tire. And now what we can do, take the double-sided wheel and tire brush. We can clean the face of the wheel and scrub the tire, all in one motion. And with these being low profile tires, this brush works amazing for that. This isn't overlapping onto the wheel, potentially scratching. One cool thing about it is it reduces the amount of tools that are in your bucket, so it makes it a lot easier to find the right tool for cleaning wheels and tires. And again, using this paired with the wheel and tire cleaner is a really great combo. This kind of does an all-in-one thing. Same with this, does an all-in-one. Both designed to clean wheels and tires at the same exact time. Now, it's still gonna work with your wheel cleaner and your tire and rubber cleaner, but this brush was intended to reduce the amount of tools that go inside your bucket and also hopefully make cleaning your wheels a little bit more efficient. If you want to reduce the amount of tools that go into your wheel cleaning regimen and you want to make wheel cleaning just a little bit more efficient, Adams Polish's double-sided wheel and tire brush is going to be the tool for you.